In a quiet town nestled between rolling hills and a winding river, two brothers, Arjun and Ravi, grew up together under the watchful eyes of their parents. From childhood, their days were spent exploring the fields, racing along dusty roads, and sharing whispered secrets under starry skies. Their bond was unspoken yet unbreakable, a quiet promise of lifelong loyalty. As they grew older, life began to pull them in different directions. Arjun, with his keen mind and gentle spirit, pursued higher studies in the city. Ravi, the more impulsive and adventurous of the two, stayed behind to help their family run the small, beloved grocery store. For years, the brothers maintained a delicate balance: long phone calls, occasional visits, and the shared memory of their youthful adventures that kept their bond alive. But as time wore on, misunderstandings crept in. Arjun's busy schedule left him with little time for Ravi, who felt increasingly abandoned. Ravi's resentment grew, fueled by long nights working in the store and the silent loneliness of a town that seemed to forget him. A bitter argument erupted one summer evening when Ravi, tired of feeling overlooked, accused Arjun of forgetting his roots and their shared past. The harsh words cut deep, and for a time, the brothers drifted apart. In the midst of this growing estrangement, an unexpected tragedy struck their family. Their father, the unifying force of their childhood, fell gravely ill. News of his deteriorating health spread like wildfire through the town. The realization of their father's vulnerability forced the brothers to confront their own discord. With heavy hearts, Arjun returned to the town, finding Ravi exhausted and regretful in the quiet aisles of the grocery store. One rainy afternoon, as thunder rolled in the distance, the brothers met outside their old home. The tension of years melted away in the raw, honest expressions on their faces. Without prelude, Ravi embraced Arjun, and in that moment, their shared pain and longing for reconciliation spoke louder than any argument could. They spent long hours reminiscing about childhood mischief, the dreams they once nurtured together, and the sacrifices their father had made for them. The reunion was not without its twists. Arjun revealed that during his time away, he had been secretly planning to set up a scholarship fund in their father's name. Dedicated to helping local youth pursue education project he hoped would honor their father's legacy and bridge the gap between the brothers. Ravi, moved by Arjun's vision, vowed to help him in every way possible. Together, they organized community fundraisers, reached out to neighbors, and slowly rebuilt the trust that had been frayed by years of silence. In the process, the brothers discovered that their different paths were not opposing forces, but complementary threads in the tapestry of their lives. Arjun's scholarly achievements and Ravi's deep-rooted connections to the community merged into a shared purpose, a testament to the resilience of brotherhood. Their father recovered slowly, buoyed by the renewed closeness of his sons. And as the seasons changed, the once divided brothers found themselves working side by side, each step forward strengthening the bond that time had nearly unraveled. One crisp autumn evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky with hues of orange and gold, the brothers sat together on the porch of their childhood home. The silence was different, no comfortable. Healing silence filled with mutual respect, shared memories, and a promise of a future where their bond would never be broken. In that quiet moment, Ravi whispered, "I'm sorry for everything." Arjun replied softly, "I missed you every day, little brother." They both knew that the true strength of their bond was not in the absence of conflict, but in the courage to overcome it together. Bound by blood and heart, Arjun and Ravi discovered that even the deepest wounds can heal with time, love, and the willingness to forgive. Their story became a quiet inspiration in the community, a reminder that no matter how far life pulls us apart, the ties of brotherhood can always bring us home.